You need to hear this if you're an engineering student. Let's break down the superposition theorem. No stress, just clarity. All right, let's get started. Step 1, understand the superposition theorem. It says that in a linear circuit with multiple independent sources, the total response is the sum of responses from each source acting alone. Step 2, identify all independent sources. Spot those voltage and current sources. Step 3, turn them off one at a time. For voltage sources, use a short circuit. For current sources, use an open circuit. Step 4, analyze each simplified circuit. Use tools like Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's laws, nodal or mesh analysis. Step 5, combine the responses. Add them up algebraically to find the total voltage or current. Step 6, consider phase and direction. Be mindful of signs when combining responses. Step 7, verify and cross-check. Make sure your results align with circuit laws like KCL and KVL. And there you have it, superposition theorem demystified. For more tutorials, reach out to Kumar at Expert Agencies. Happy learning!